What is up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video.
I guess I'll be quiet.
They crazy.
Just in the middle.
I had a
sincere discussion. Oh my bad, you doing it?
Was it really sincere?
What?
Bro just called you a crackhead.
Your upper lip was what?
So he is a crackhead. Oh, he shook his
Wow,
head.
you
I gotta stick to what I say.
You know what, EJ?
I can't be two-faced now. I gotta,
Alright.
As y'all know, Lamont, shock. But we're back at it with the Q60. We're doing several mods today. And the biggest one that's going to take the longest is trying to be technical. But let me walk y'all through what we got going on. This man right here, that man, I don't like him. That man. But nah, so as y'all see, we got the wheels off, and this is an air tank. So long waited. We got air struts from AirTech. This man, your boy said that he was gonna go bag from the beginning with the Q60. Bag Q60s just look so good. I just could not do it. So we're installing the bag system from AirTech. We got the stage 3 kit. It comes with dual compressors, whatever air tank you want. I went with the 5-gallon. I heard that it could fit. Black compressors, the remote, the management, airlift management. So we got all that. We're going to fix this thermostat because I got my first check engine light. So got the thermostat, got the new gasket and all of that. And a strut tower bar. So we're going to install all of that. Throw it all on here. Make it look nice and pretty. The car's dirty. It's just got done snowing. But yeah, so we're going to work from the back forward because this man forgot the other jack stand. So we're going to be here for a while. When you hear them whispering, you know that they talking
You got all these clips. You just stop zooming in. I saw the finger move. I saw the damn finger.
That's hilarious. So yeah, so we're gonna knock this out. Hopefully, the rear may take the longest. So I'm happy we're starting with the rear. But other than that, we're just gonna knock this out. So I'll see y'all when we get there. Obviously, the first step is to jack up the car, take off the wheels. But after that, you gotta get to the rear, which is behind the seat, basically. And then there's like what, two bolts up there that we gotta break loose, and then you got the electronic for the suspension and everything. And this bolt. That's about it. Remove the brake line, the usual. So see you on a few. All right, guys. So hours later, trying to get in here. So basically, your boy Lamont had to get all the way in here. Oh no, your boy Lamont had to get in here. So that's your airbag for the Q60. That right there, that pipe, yeah. There. To access your strut tower bar, y'all can see the nuts right there. To access that, you have to pretty much remove this or break it loose to the point where you can finesse your way over. He already put this side back together because we put the driver bag on, rear bag. So now we're on the other rear. But then after that, we're gonna button it up all back here and go from there. Sorry, tight fit. Ugh. All right, so with all that being said, your boy is already about to be low. So y'all, the Q60 stock struts, they come threaded. So this part right here is threaded. So the bolt that you take out, huh?
I'm about to smack you.
Why?
You tighten this down and it's crooked.
Well, that's your fault. See, be stronger. How about you be stronger? How about you be stronger? Hey.
I undid it with my bare hand.
Anyways, before I was rudely interrupted.
Oh my god.
Some instigators.
You ain't got no nipples.
So basically, this side's threaded, and the bolt. You have to go to the store and get one. I'm not sure. Went to the parts store. This is the part number I got. This is the one that fit the best, and then I just found the washer and went with that. We got to figure out how we're going to do this dampening for the Q60 because I don't want no lights for it, but we'll figure that out as we get closer to being done. And yeah, other than that, once you remove the rear and you get your bolts, this is actually a pretty easy job. It's not difficult. Ugh. Your boy got the fronts ready already. He says it's pretty difficult. Why you think it's difficult?
Getting that back out.
Getting that back out? I mean, I said after the back is pretty simple.
Yeah, after the back.
Yeah, y'all see.
Actually, it's really not because I had to modify that bracket at the bottom. Thank you, AirTag.
Yeah, so they came tighter.
No shade, quality product, but the bracket needs to be a quarter inch to half an inch wider.
He's mad. They don't make it too much wider. That way you can do it yourself.
Yeah,
that way the metal is stiff.
It shouldn't have to bend like that. It's just they can make it at least a quarter inch to half an inch wider so that it fits perfect to the stock suspension. Somebody didn't do measurements. I'm just saying. I love AirTag, but somebody didn't do measurements.
Someone did do measurements because it's just a simple stretch. It's a simple stretch. He mad. He was like, yeah, we can be done in 3 hours. I'm like, yeah, no. Nah.
Can you please hand me the odd ratchet with a 12 minutes?
What ratchet?
The air ratchet. The electric ratchet.
Air ratchet? I don't think we have air tools here, sir. You're rattling.
Like, what the heck is that? Oh, I only put 2 of them on there.
But yeah, and I'm sad, guys. I just discovered I have a big ass fucking nail in my tire, so I gotta get that checked out, get that plugged. But for the most part, this is it. We gotta do the front. The front's gonna be easy. He's working on the back. That way, it's just button it up basically. And yeah, did you do the dampening already?
No, I didn't do the dampening.
Okay.
Sarcasm.
But yeah, I know. So, all right, guys, be right back. Let us keep working. All right, guys. So, as y'all see, we got the rear lined up. What we did is we let it behind this little bracket right here. Under this, I'm hoping this don't flex, because if so, that's going to be an issue. We may have to reroute it somewhere, but I think we'll be fine. And then, ironically enough, since this car's a salvage title, got a hole here and a hole here. And we got this one running basically the same. I'm trying to slide. Got it going under. And then in between those, in between the bracket, and then to the back of it. So, with all that being said, sorry, trying not to get dirt in my eye. The rear is basically done. We got the extra lines in the trunk. I don't know if you want to show them that, sir, since I'm down here.
This man got me doing everything. Straight through the hole. Little extra line. That's the passenger, driver rear. And then he had another hole over here. Did the same thing. Leave a little extra. Put extra, then trim, and then do the setup.
Yep, and not gonna lie, depending on how we could route it from the front to the rear, the driver side may run up this side, and then the passenger side may run up that side too. It's the only thing that makes sense in my opinion.
Simple.
So, we'll see, unless there's a different way we can figure it out, but hopefully we got enough airline for that, but I think we should be able to make it work. So, all right, guys, let me get from under here. Yeah, don't get crushed, so.
house
All
and
right.
go home.
That's wild.
Keys be damaged, everything. Yo, this nigga Shot said he ain't
Oh, he
driving
walking.
no more. He riding shotgun. That nigga said that for real. Yeah, he ain't driving, he riding shotgun.
Yeah, I don't drive in his car. I just let him drive. It's crazy because our first 2 weeks, I used to drive and we used to switch, but I'll drive the most. Now he just drives. It's so comfortable just being in the passenger seat and chilling.
Nigga be taking naps and
That's not
shit.
even aired out.
Taking road naps.
That's crazy.
I can't take a nap.
No, I'm just saying, nigga be taking road naps.
All right, I'm running. Whee! Now we're removing this side.
You just saying.
He stopped.
I
That's-
do record you.
What I need. And if I had a 10.5 back here, this gap right here, guys, would actually be cleared up. And a slight stretch tire.
It take my whole hand. Look how big my hands is.
Ooh. Yes, sir. Love it. All right, sir. We could keep going. We don't got nothing hooked up yet. We got on the low pro jacks. It's gonna be an issue when we're gonna have to turn on the car before you can remove the jack.
Yep. You got 4 of them anyway.
Yeah.
So we got to sit everything down and then get it aired and
Yeah. We gotta.
grounded.
Yeah, because we may have to keep one of the corners lifted up, or the front at least, and then bring that jack back here so we can route everything. Because yeah, ooh, I'm so excited, boys. Oh my god, he a hater, but fuck him. Anyway, it's what you said off camera.
What did I say on camera?
You said it looked good.
I said that shit ass. How about that?
Yeah, that's what he
How about
said.
saying on
Yeah,
camera?
keep it on camera.
Yeah. We're gonna keep it on camera.
Yeah.
Man. You know, this is for all ages though.
It is for all ages.
Yeah. Unless you're Darius.
Sheesh.
What does that supposed to mean?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure that out too. What's that supposed to mean?
I'm not age appropriate? That's what you trying to say?
All right, guys, let us try to get this front figured out. Oh my god.
I love Darius, man. You know what I'm saying?
Man,
That's
said
so
I'm
funny.
not age appropriate. Y'all hear this? Y'all hear this, YouTube? Why is you moving?
Every time
Not
you
because
every time
the
you
car
jack-
is sliding. Yeah.
Every time you jack up, your car is backing off the ramp.
Yeah. Every single time.
It's backing off the ramp.
Nobody tell him to go up.
Yeah, it's actually closer to
we
the
was at
door.
Brandon's garage,
We went
it was
from
way better.
calm down. Bro's laughing over there. Oh my god. I'm telling you though, once that area is cleared out, it'll look really good. It'll be a nice open area, not just one side. But all right, guys, this is going to be a long clip. It's very tight in here, if y'all could tell.
This shop is usually
So-
like, Mitsubishi, but we let it change.
Yeah, you be from Mitsubishi.
It's crazy. I mean, shoot, if we were working on the Mitsubishi, plenty of room compared to the old shop.
It's a small car.
Yeah, it's like half the size
My
of
car
this.
have a lot of room when we're here.
No, you forget that your car was halfway poked outside.
Halfway.
Your bumper was outside.
You're exaggerating a little bit, right?
Nah.
My car is beautiful here.
Psych. I hate him. So problematic. He's a problem child.
I'm really like this.
Stop lying. Already lying. That's why you're smiling.
I'm really like
Say it with a straight
nicest
face.
person out of these three.
No.
Straight face too.
That's why he got a little grim.
This
Crazy.
is grim.
I didn't say
Get it
grim.
right.
I didn't say grim.
I said grim.
Jack this up for him, please.
Jack, what up?
Jack that car.
You love the stick?
But all right, guys, be right back. All right, guys. So we're gonna end this here. So we got the strut tower bar installed. Z1 has an install kit. The only hard section is right here because all the Q60, this engine bay is already compact. So the fact that people work on this for a living, they're insane. But basically, there's a bolt down there that was the hardest for me to get to. But once you get that bolt, this strut tower bar goes on pretty nice. When you install it, make sure it's loose, like super loose. Don't bolt it all the way down yet or anything, because you got to be able to adjust it. But yeah, we're leaving off the Q60 like this because this man came late for one. I get to use that one. But look at that thing, man. Oh my god. Car's dirty, but it's all good. But nah, it ain't Lamar's fault. The car it's a difficult car to work on. And especially the last owners that had it, it's just like, dang. So, yeah. And then a situation we came across is, I don't have my light. Dang. Let me see. The situation we came across is that we have to find a bolt that goes to the end link now. That's long enough to get to the end link. Because the way that this is going to work is not happening. So we shall see how that works out. But on the other note, sway bar installed. I forgot to tell you guys that because I didn't record it because it was something super quick. But we installed the end link, not the end link, the Z1 diff brace. So that was cool. And we did not get to the throttle. Dang, what's it called? Thermostat. Thank you, sir. Thank you. The thermostat. So we're gonna get to all that later, tomorrow, literally. So see y'all in for y'all a couple minutes or a second.
Yeah, second.
Lucky y'all. Lucky y'all.